Good morning! It's Monday, so here I am with another useful phrases video for you. Today I would like to share with you different ways of saying that you want something. Some of them will be formal, some of them will be informal, so that you can adapt them to your situation. The first one you probably know, and it is I'd like. If you want something, it's polite to say I'd like and add please at the end. For example, I'd like a cup of water, please.
I'd like a frozen yogurt, please.
Next one is also polite and formal, and it's I'd love to have. You can say I'd love to have another piece of that pie, please.
I'd love to have you for lunch.
This next expression is mainly used in British English, and it is I fancy. In this case, the word fancy is a verb. You can say, I fancy going for a walk. Or you can ask someone, do you fancy playing tennis tomorrow afternoon?
Fancy a game?
On the side note, you can say, I fancy you if you're attracted to someone.
I really fancy you.
Next on my list is I feel like. You can say, I feel like a slice of pizza. Don't worry, it doesn't mean that you have feelings and emotions like pizza. It just means that you would like to have some pizza.
I feel like a cigar.
By the way, it is more informal expression, so use it wisely.
Well, I feel like a snack.
Another informal expression is I'm up for. You can say, I'm up for another cup of coffee.
I am up for anything.
Another way of saying that you want something, usually food, is I'm craving. Usually pregnant women, they crave all the strange foods.
I legitimately just was craving some chicken basket.
You can also say, I'm in a mood for whatever you want.
Siri, I'm in the mood for gelato.
And the last two, they seem contradictory, but they actually mean the same thing. Ironically, I'd kill for something and I'd die for something mean the same thing. It means that you are desperate for something.
Oh, I'd kill for a latte.
I would die to get samples.
That was all. Thanks for watching. I hope that you will be able to use these new words and expressions. Have a wonderful day and an amazing week. Bye-bye.